Welcome to our YouTube channel CADCAMSTER. Today we are going to design this simple part in SolidWorks with the help of this 2D drawing. If you need this 2D drawing, you can download it from the description box. This is the front view, and this is the right hand side view, and this is the top view. So let's get started. First I will enter into the part mode. Then I will select here sketch plane, front plane. Then I will press S key, which is a shortcut key to get commands. Select here circle, create two circles. These two circles which are concentric of dia 46 and 72. Select here smart dimension, select here 46 and 72. Select this circle, enter the value of 72. Now select here line command, create a horizontal line and then create a vertical line up to here. Drag this and up to this circle. Go to trim entities, trim this portion, and again select line command, create a horizontal line up to this point. Now select trim entities, trim all these portions and trim this portion too, and this mid portion of line. Now I will dimension it. Go to smart dimension. This dimension is 11 mm. Select this line, enter the value of 11 mm. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined, but still we have to create this line whose distance is 30 mm. I will select line command, create a random line, horizontal line, select here which is horizontal. Go to smart dimension, select this line and the distance is 30 mm. Again select trim entities, trim this extended portions and this portion. Now this is not fully defined, so the distance between this to this is 114. So I will select a smart dimension, select this and this. The distance is 114 mm. Now our sketch is fully defined. Select this line, make horizontal. Now we will extrude it up to a distance of 50 mm. Go to feature, select extrude boss base, enter the value of 50 mm, press OK. Again I will select this face, sketch, normal too. Now I will create this profile, upper profile. For that, I will select circle command and create a circle of dia 72. Now I will select line command and select this point and create a, I will select circle command. I will create a two circles of diameter 38 and 28. Select smart dimension, select this circle, enter the value of 28 mm, select this circle, enter the value of 38 mm. Then I will select line command, select this point and create a horizontal line. Then I will select this circle and this line, make a relation of tangent. Now I will select smart dimensions, select this circle and this point, and this distance is 72 mm from the center to the base. Enter the value of 72 mm. Now I will select again line command, select this diametral point and create a vertical line up to this. Select trim entities, trim this portion, Ctrl Z. Select trim entities, trim this portion, Again select trim entities, trim this outer circle. And select this line and convert entities. Now again select trim entities, trim this circle and this inner portion. Now I will extrude this profile up to offset 11 mm distance of offset from both the sides. So I have to extrude it, features, extrude boss base. This distance is 11 mm. So I have created the sketch on this face. So I will not extrude it from this sketch, but instead of doing this I will create it by a offset distance of 11 mm, which is 50 minus 28 means 22. Means this distance plus this distance is 22, means on either side it is 12 mm. 11 mm. So I will select this profile and select here offset. Offset distance will be 11 mm. Let me check. We have select here opposite direction. Select again here opposite. Now you can see that it is showing preview up to a distance of 28. Select here, enter value 28. Press OK. You can see that we have created this profile. Now I will create this cut. For that I will select here back face, normal to, and sketch. I will draw a rectangle. Select here corner rectangle. Create a rectangle at top, which is at the mid of this surface, means The midpoint of this whole surface will be at the mid of this. I will make these 2 points vertical. Now it's time for dimensioning it. Its dimensions are 12 mm. Select your smart dimensions. Enter the value of 12 mm. And this distance is also 12 mm. It is not mentioned in the drawing by mistake. So select this side and this side. Enter the value of 12 mm. Now go to Features tab, select Extrude Cut. You can select here through all both. Press OK. Now it is created. Now we will create this cylinder. For that I will select this plane, normal to, sketch, circle command. It will be at, I will create 2 circles concentric of dia 12 and 16. Select here. First I will create only 16, Go to Smart Dimensions, select here 16. Now we have to provide some other dimensions, like from here to here it is 25. And from here to here, this side to this side, it is also 25. Sorry, it is 20. It is not mentioned in drawing, but it is 20. Now go to Features tab, select Extrude Boss Base, extrude up to a distance of 14 mm. Enter the value of 14 here, 14 mm. Press OK. Now select this face, sketch, select circle command, normal to, and create a circle of dia 12 mm. Smart dimension, select this circle, enter the value 12 mm. Now go to Features tab, select Extrude Cut, select here through all both. Now we have created this profile. Now we will create this fillet of radius 3 mm. For that, select here fillet command, select this face, enter value 3 mm, press OK. Now we have created this profile. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.